Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Priyanka Saukar-Navle. So today I am making this video specially for patient who asked me about dental jewelry, what are different types, how the procedure is, and whether it is painful. So second thing, most importantly, they ask us whether it is causing any permanent damage to their teeth. So dental jewelry is a procedure where we just stick a small stud or diamond on the tooth surface, which adds extra sparkle to your smile. Okay, so there are multiple types, multiple brands available: Skies, Dazzler, and then one more, Blue Sapphire. All these brands are available in our clinic. We are using Skies, that is from Ivoclar mostly. What is the procedure and whether we are making any holes or something? So we are not creating any type of permanent damage or permanent ditch on the tooth surface, and mostly it is done on the corner tooth, that is canine, or sometimes in the lateral incisor, that is the second front tooth. It is a totally painless procedure. In this procedure, what exactly we do, we take a smiling photograph of patient. We try to see which teeth are mostly visible, upper teeth, lower teeth, how they are visible, which tooth is more prominent, and where we can stick the jewelry so that light will be reflected properly. Some patients, they have narrow smile. In that case, we need to give studs on the lateral incisor, that is second front tooth. Sometimes they have wider smile. In that time, we place it on the canine. So it is for placing the jewelry. After the smile assessment is done, next step is we just apply agent that contains the acid, minor form of acid, and with the help of that the tooth surface will be etched. Once it is done, we wash the surface nicely. It is just to create some porosity on the tooth surface, not a permanent damage. And on that surface, we just place that stud with some bonding material and cure it with the blue light. Once it is done, the jewelry is set. It hardly takes 15 to 20 minutes. That too, I am considering the time from you enter inside the clinic. We do the smile assessment, and then we spot a perfect place where we can place the jewelry. So this is all procedure. It is totally non-invasive, and we are not giving any type of LA for this procedure. Then the next question patient asked, what if I swallow the jewelry? There are very less chances that dental jewelry will get swallowed, because we are not placing it on the occlusal surface somewhere, though we are placing on the corner tooth. So most of the time when patient bite, they bite from the front 4 teeth and not the corner tooth. So there are very less chances if it is coming out, and if in case it is coming out and you are swallowing it, that is absolutely fine, because it does not contain any sharp edges. Okay, the natural way you have taken it, it will come out natural way only. So there is no problem at all if in case it gets swallowed. Then what is the shelf life for that jewelry? Usually you can consider from 6 months to the years, because as we are not placing on the occlusal surface where a high amount of forces are applied, there are chances that jewelry might stay there for years. Okay, and what if you want to remove it or place something else? We just remove it with some minor vibrations. It will come out, and that surface can be polished with the normal scaling and polishing material. So it is also, removal of jewelry is also very painless procedure. Hope this video must have helped you to analyze what are dental jewelry, how we place it, whether it is painful or not. Do like my channel, subscribe it. Bye bye, take care.